Have you ever pondered whether the day you were born holds a deeper significance in your life? Unbeknownst to many, each birth date aligns with a distinct spiritual archetype that shapes our journey in subtle yet profound ways. Join us as we explore these archetypes to uncover which one resonates with your birth date. The Endura birth dates: 1st, 8th, 15th, 26th. Individuals born on these dates embody unparalleled resilience and determination. They confront challenges head-on, viewing each obstacle as an opportunity for growth. Like steel forged in fire, every trial enhances their strength and fortitude. Their personal journey is marked by introspection, transforming struggles into stepping stones toward their true potential. Beyond their own path, endurers serve as beacons of hope, inspiring others to persevere through adversity. The Empath soul birth dates: 2nd, 6th, 16th, 23rd. Born on these dates are the emotional sponges of the world, absorbing the feelings and experiences of those around them. Their innate compassion and understanding make them natural caregivers, often prioritizing others' needs above their own. Their spiritual path centers on emotional healing and nurturing the spirit, recognizing that true growth emanates from within. While their empathy is a gift, it's crucial for empath souls to practice self-care, ensuring they replenish their own energy to continue illuminating the lives of others. The Seeker birth dates: 3rd, 9th, 18th, 25th. Those born on these dates are driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge. For Seekers, learning is a lifelong quest, extending beyond personal enrichment to guiding others toward enlightenment. They value wisdom gleaned not only from books, but also from lived experiences, embracing challenges as avenues for growth. Seekers act as lanterns, illuminating paths for others, yet they must remember to balance their pursuit of understanding with presence in the moment. The Artisan birth dates: 4th, 10th, 17th, 27th. Creativity flows naturally for those born on these dates. Artisans possess the unique ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, viewing artistic expression as a spiritual practice. Whether through painting, writing, or crafting, they infuse their creations with profound meaning and beauty. Their journey involves embracing creative impulses as connections to the divine. However, artisans may grapple with self-doubt and perfectionism, making it essential to focus on authentic self-expression over external validation. The Mystic birth dates: 5th, 7th, 19th, 28th. Deep thinkers born on these dates are perpetually engaged with life's profound questions, seeking to unveil the universe's mysteries. Mystics exude a stoic calm, delving into their inner worlds in pursuit of enlightenment. Their spiritual journey is marked by a desire to transcend the mundane, embracing uncertainty and finding solace in the unknown. While their path can be challenging, mystics remain steadfast, reminding us of the importance of connecting with something greater than ourselves. The Hermit birth dates: 11th, 24th, 30th. Individuals born on these dates find comfort in solitude and introspection. For hermits, quiet spaces are sanctuaries for deep reflection and self-discovery. Their spiritual path is inward-focused, seeking wisdom through contemplation. While they cherish alone time, hermits also value meaningful connections, sharing their insights with those who appreciate profound conversations. The Guidelight birth dates: 12th, 13th, 21st, 29th. Reliable and supportive, those born on these dates serve as guiding lights for others. Their adaptability and wisdom make them invaluable mentors and teachers. Guidelights view teaching as a reciprocal exchange, understanding that learning is a two-way street. They shine brightest during others' dark times, offering practical advice and unwavering support. The rebel birth dates: 14th, 20th, 22nd, 31st. Challengers of the status quo, individuals born on these dates that question existing beliefs in pursuit of personal and collective freedom. Rebels value authenticity, often marching to the beat of their own drum. Their dissent is rooted in a desire for transformation and liberation, unafraid to confront societal norms and advocate for change. Their spiritual journey is one of self-discovery, embracing their true selves and inspiring others to do the same. If this exploration resonated with you, consider subscribing for more insights into the spiritual dimensions of our lives. Your support is greatly appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more enlightening content.